Is there a shorter screwdriver than this?
Does it have to be a flathead?
Preferably. But I guess it doesn't. I'll just use 2 screwdrivers.
Would it be here maybe? Here's one. Would that be better?
No, it'll break. Okay.
We need to organize these ones. Nice favorite.
Okay, over here, got a sledgehammer. Do you have the new brakes and rotors? Huh?
Are those ones on there bad now?
I'm not sure, but he's good. Well, they're not as good as the new ones for sure.
I don't know which one is this here.
This is the front.
Oh, this one.
Those are rear. And do you have the brakes too?
The pads?
Yeah. That's the front, that's the back. Yep, okay, so let's do this actually. We're actually gonna take the caliper, replace the caliper first. Where impact on this? Give me the other magnet container, the circle, please. Thank you.
There's a couple of those in the box over there too.
Yeah, so no, we'll put these into that box
Okay.
instead of this
Yeah.
one. But first let me find what I'm looking for.
We need some new ones of those.
No, they're still good. It's just somebody left them out in the rain, so.
They've got these really cool like little washers that vibrate. You can take that stuff right off. Have you seen those?
I'm looking for a Phillips. They're not in there. Is there a Phillips in there? Can you show me the ones that are there? Yeah, that's the one I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. That's number 3 Phillips.